Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.70 in the crypto space, which is notably high given the recent trend of negative momentum at minus 0.30. This discrepancy suggests a potential shift in sentiment that could be a precursor to market movement. You'll want to pay close attention to the 19 semantic clusters in the data, as they reflect nuanced discussions around specific cryptocurrencies that could signal emerging opportunities. Our API returns sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clustering, providing you with a comprehensive view of the crypto landscape. Imagine using this data to enhance your trading algorithm, adjusting your strategies based on real-time sentiment shifts. If you're ready to leverage this powerful insight, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.